Assalamu alaikum, guys. Hope you are fine and doing well. And today topic is things to remember before designing the Amazon listing images. So, my name is Walid, and I'm a graphic designer. And today we will discuss the things, important things we should consider before designing Amazon listing images. So, if you are designing basically the Amazon give you a 7 images option, 7 images option, so you can upload 7 images of your product on Amazon listings. And so you can use, firstly you can use all the 7 images option, so that the buyer will attract, or buyer will the product description or the product functions can be clearly buyer can see. So that's why you can use the main images, and also use the infographics in that, also along with the lifestyle should be added, and lastly comparison images. So these you should not you should be considered before designing the Amazon listing images. Next thing is that things when we design in the Canva or the to remember in Photoshop. So if you're designing in Canva, so then you should, or even Photoshop. So first of all, you use the text, less text, more graphics. This is a principle. Because of today we are no more, because the humans are likely to see graphics rather than reading and sometimes text. This is a basic psychology, because we are the thing we in our DNA, we are lazy. So that's why we are laziness in our DNA. That's the thing. So the less text, more graphic, rule number one. And rule number two is you can use the icons in your listing images or product listing images. So the icons you can download on any website called flat icons. And there's a multiple bundles of a free website. You can just Google it, and you can download the icons from it. So this is I can use in Canva or even in Photoshop. So if you're designing, if you don't know Photoshop, then you can design in Canva. And Canva, you can use a product listing image templates, and you can redesign the templates if you have enough time. If you don't have enough time, then you can hire a professional for who can design in Canva or even in Photoshop or any other software. So the first rule is not less text, more graphics. And the second rule is the icons. You can use icons on your listing images. Yeah, just like in the infographics of your product listing images. So in infographics, you can use icons. Simple rule. And icons, and then explain the function or feature of your product. Simply that when you design the infographics, first you can in artboard, or in when you're designing, and your product is at the left side, yeah, even right side, it doesn't matter. But in the and other side, you can use icons, 3 to 5 icons, depend upon your product, or even in the space in the artboard. So you can use icons, and which clearly describe your product features, or even the products which features or functions, you can say uses, you can say, and then you clearly text, and the little text also describing your features along with the icons. So this is a rule behind designing the infographics of an Amazon listing images. And then the more first main image, basically the I can now describe the where how many is list 7 image listing images. So the first is the main image, and second and third, you can say it is the infographic, where you can use it, the product features and functions, or even that you can use the dimension image, where your product dimension can clearly be described in the image. Okay. And then you can now describe your product in the lifestyle. Okay, where this product in life or life can benefit us. lifestyle. This is called a lifestyle image. And you can use also comparison chart for describing your product, compare with the other product or other, and the product features compared to the other features. And this is the comparison chart for that. Okay, the main product image, infographics, dimension image, in lifestyle image, and comparison chart. That's all behind that thing. So must you the number three, fourth principle is you can use gradients on your listing images or even product listing images. So because the gradients are now in a trend, and and you muted colors can be used in your listing product listing images. And you can use icons or elements so that they can be attracted, and the color combination must be consideration, because the color is the main part before designing your listing images. So colors and these all of the things are very important before designing the Amazon listing images. Even any product listing images you can use in eBay, Shopify, web, Facebook, and if you are selling your product. So and the summary of this video is that things to remember before designing the Amazon listing images. Number one, less text, more graphics, and number two, more icons. You can add icons. And number three, you can use your comparison chart. Number four, you can use your lifestyle image. Okay, you should done lifestyle image. And number five, the usage image. Okay, usage image. And the in designing, number seven, six or seven, you can use is the gradients, painted colors, elements does like things more attractive, or listing images more attractive. And lastly, this is all the summary of your over this today topic. Lastly, the idea now I will what is the importance of the customized listing images or product listing images. So let's move into the importance of the Amazon listing images, designing an Amazon listing images, even product listing images. Because when buyer spend saw your listing images, the first impression is very important, crucial part, because buyers are looking many of sellers listing. So there is no only one listing of your product. There is a multiple listings of your product. So when buyers saw your listing, the main image it should be attractive. So when the main is attractive, buyers will definitely click your listing images and saw your whole listing. And so that's the then he definitely go first. I think. Uh, from I saw in a video, he's printing that the buyers directly go to the review section, and then he move upward your listing. So he firstly go to the review section, then he scroll up, scroll up, and you and saw your EBC if you have an EBC. Then you go eventually your description, and lastly to Amazon listing images. And if the Amazon listing images or EBC of your listing images is properly optimized, then buyer will spend more time. Buyer will spend more time on your listing images. When buyers will spend more time on your listing images, there must be chances that the conversion rate might be increased. When the conversion rate is increases, then there should be chances that your product will be more sales, or even your product will ranking on Amazon or in any platform. Your ranking boosts your ranking. So it is important. It's a crucial thing. So before you have done any business, you should also focus on spend your business. You should consider the design part of your business, because it is a crucial thing in any business to run your business or you boost your business. So this is the thing. Really, this week signing off. Face.